cumin egg potato roast or cumin egg potato bowl or cumin egg potato casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes, one of the most unique of the potato roast recipes, one of the most unique of the egg roast recipes. Today we are going to make cumin egg potato casserole. We have taken 3 eggs which we have boiled and we have taken off the shells. We have taken around 100 grams of potato, peeled and cut into pieces. Now the next ingredients are a spoon of cumin seeds, 15 grams of ginger, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 green chili, 15 grams of garlic, 6 to 7 carrots, 1 tomato cut into pieces. Then throw in 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the cumin seeds. Put in the ginger. Garlic. The shallots. Put in the onion pieces. Saute thoroughly. Saute the ingredients thoroughly. Until the ingredients are nicely brown. Thoroughly soft. Salt to taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Put in 1.5 spoons of chili powder and a spoon of mixture spices. Mix, thoroughly mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute thoroughly. salt and pepper. Keep on sauteing. Put in the egg pieces and the potatoes. Thoroughly mix. Put in the green chili. Pour in around 100 ml of water. 100 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture boil and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. And cook for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now the cumin egg potato roast is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cumin egg potato roast or cumin egg potato bowl or cumin egg potato casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin seed recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.